poem Bird Talk. There are two birds in the poem. So two birds are talking about human beings, and they are thinking that human beings are very funny.
Think,
Yeah.
said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know.
Yeah. So what these birds are talking? What are the two birds? They are Robin and
Thinking,
Jay. No, these two birds'
Jay.
name is Robin and Jay.
Robin
Okay.
and Jay.
Yeah. So what these birds are? Always where we can see the birds. We can see the birds in the garden, or it will be sitting in the tree. The two birds are sitting in the garden and talking one day. What they are talking? Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. So what about this? They are talking. They are telling that.
They're talking about people. They're talking about people and how they grow, and they don't have feathers at all. And they're like without any feathers and stuff.
Yeah. Birds are thinking that human doesn't have feathers. Okay. And they're telling they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings.
They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
So this what?
So they don't eat beetles. We don't eat beetles. We don't grow wings. We have hands. Don't like sitting on wires and things because like if we sit on a wire we can fall.
Is it possible to sit on the wires? See, here only birds are sitting on the wires because they are very small in size. No, the weight is also very less, and they can sit in the okay, and they can fly easily. No, they can fly easily. If they sit on the top also, they will fly. If something is shaking, or suddenly they can fly wherever they want. But we can't do all those things. But these two birds are thinking that for that two birds, human beings are very funny. Okay, they are thinking, their thought is like that. They are thinking that human beings are very funny because these are whatever things we do, whatever things the birds do, the people can't do. So like that, the two birds are talking. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So they are thinking, according to them, according to the robin and jay, they are telling people are looking very funny. Okay, this is the poem written by Alan Fisher. And can you read the new words?
New words: beetles, sitting, wires, funny.
Name the two birds in the poem.
Robin and Jay.
What are the three things that people can't do?
They can't fly, they can't eat beetles, and they can't sit on wires.
And things, yeah. What do birds think of people?
They think that we don't have feathers. They think we cannot do we don't have wings, we don't grow wings. They think that we don't eat beetles and stuff.
Yeah, and they think people are funny. What do birds think of people is people are funny. Okay. So of the words, make a list of these words. For example, chirp, chirp, chirp. Can you tell some other thing?
Pardon?
Quack, quack, quack.
Yeah,
duck.
that's duck.
Duck. For this one you can write Twitter, Twitter, Twitter you can write. And here you can write
quack, quack.
Quack, quack also you can write. Now write 4 sentences on the birds using the following words. First one is nests. Make their nest on the trees. One is fly. Birds have wings to fly in the sky. Thus, birds make a sound chirp, chirp. Last one is drink water with their beak. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one has been done for you. Grow, know, throw. Next one is they, say, think, sink, link, funny, sunny, bunny. Eat, meet, seek, sing, wing, wing. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and follow us for more videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.